What's up, you guys? And in today's video, we are going to be going over the problem where if your MacBook Pro or your MacBook Air, the Wi-Fi symbol is showing, but you can't actually get internet connection even though your Wi-Fi is on and it's connected to whatever network you're connected to. But if you go into Chrome and it's like, oh, you haven't got internet connection and you can't figure it out, so we're going to jump in my MacBook and figure out this problem. I'm going to show you the solution because I figured it out finally. But other than that, welcome back to Blaze Tech. I am Brandon. Remember, if you enjoy this video, smash like for the YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe, tap the notification bell to know when my next video is live. And other than that, I have Twitter, Instagram, Twitch if you want to check them out. Links on screen, as well as below in the description box if you're on mobile. Please do forgive the camera quality. I am recording on my built-in camera with the MacBook Pro. It's not that great, but it's what we have to deal with now. Anyway, we're going to jump into the computer and we're going to fix this solution. It's pretty easy, but it's easily overlooked. Alrighty, so as you can see, we're on my homepage. This is Sydney for anyone who's wondering. So up here, you got the Wi-Fi symbol, right? And as you can see, I am connected to the internet. And a common problem is, I'll just show you for example purposes. If you go to, I can't even spell YouTube correctly, YouTube, and normally it would just come up as if you're having this issue, you'd be connected to the Wi-Fi, and it'll come up as, oh, you have your Wi-Fi on, but YouTube will say you don't have internet connection, regardless if you are connected to a network or not. So I was trying to figure this out for about a day, and I couldn't figure it out, so this is what I did. So just exiting out of Chrome, we go back to Wi-Fi and go to network preferences. And over here, as you can see, you got all these options. So if you look at Wi-Fi and it's connected, so what you want to do is you want to turn Wi-Fi off, and then you want to go into advanced. You want to click on your network, and you want to click the minus button. After you've done that, say OK, then apply. And what you want to also do is you want to, so the way you do this is you click on Wi-Fi, and you come down and you click the minus button. So as you can see, Wi-Fi is totally gone. So what you want to then do is you want to click on the plus button, and you want to change the interface to Wi-Fi. And the service name, just keep it at Wi-Fi, that's fine. You just say create. The service name is pretty much what this will be called. So, for example, if we repeat that step, I will go to Wi-Fi and call it internet, and it will change the name. So there you go, internet. So up here it's still called Wi-Fi, but in network preferences it's called internet. Anyway, not the point. I'm not gonna confuse you, so we're just gonna keep it back at default. I was just showing you in case you wanted to change it for whatever reason. So as you can see, we now got Wi-Fi back on. So what you want to do is you want to go from the status off to turn Wi-Fi on. And if you can hear the cars, I'm sorry. There's motorbikes and cars, it's loud. So you want to say Wi-Fi on. Switching Wi-Fi power, this is fine. Apply. So then what you want to do is you want to connect to your internet. So mine is Telstra 48A671. So after you've done that, you want to put in your password. So if you have your iPhone, right, and you're actually connected to the same Wi-Fi, you have this prompt pop up. If you just tap on share network, share password, and it will say sharing, and that's all done. What it will do, it will, instead of you having to enter the password, you can just do that and it does it for you automatically. If not, go get your password. It should be either written down or probably on your router or something like that. But pretty much always remember your password. So as you can see, we are now connected to my network. I'm probably going to hide my IP address So then after that's all done, what you just want to do is simply click out of this, and what you want to do is we'll quit Chrome, then you go back into Chrome, and for example, we will type in YouTube, and as you can see, everything now works just fine. So if you guys have any problems or anything like that regarding this network, I guess, interruption or problem, and you can't figure it out for whatever reason, leave a comment below in the, I was about to say description box, the comment box below, and I'll get back to you as fast as I can. I'm not 100% sure if this exact same method applies to the MacBook Air and the iMacs. I'm sure it would. However, like, I don't see a reason why it'd be a different process, but I can't test it out because, well, I haven't got an iMac nor a MacBook Pro. I mean, a MacBook Air. So, other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, this little tutorial was helpful. And yeah, remember, like this video if you haven't already, as well as subscribe to the channel and check out my other socials at Twitter, Instagram, and Twitch. And we try to release a video here every single week, at least 2 to 3 videos a week. But yeah, from that, I'll get better camera quality next time. Alright, bye.